and we are in front of the new Dethleffs 640 HR. Let's check the specs and then we shall be going inside to check all the amenities. It's actually a fair price of 73,000 euros. And let's get inside to check the looks of this new campervan. Pretty nice sitting area, folding table standard, Fiat Ducato chassis, and they retain the upper part for additional storage. We have two cabinets on this side and also two burners with a sink. Folding kitchen space on that part, smaller cabinet for your kitchen stuff, and then slide out two bigger drawers with additional drawers from that side. This actually just show, and then the Dethleffs pretty good sized fridge, and under it we have additional storage unit. And this is also the rotatable toilet, pretty nice, just like the Two-Win R, with the same actual design. This is all came out also from the Two-Win R. Pretty great. Dethleffs cassette toilet, wide space to take a shower without any problem. And we have a double bunk bed on the back, so I will be exiting now and checking the back part of this campervan so we can understand. Wow, that's pretty long, but then pretty nice. Okay, so from that side we have a bed of approximately 1.923. Wow, this is actually perfect. And also 2 meters. On the upper part we shall be getting slightly less, but this is a pretty good double bunk bed, longitudinal bed for a family of 4, without any doubts. And there are 3 cabinets on each side on the top. Pretty nice looking. And just one thing, this is pretty small to sleep in, but well, it's made for 4 people to sleep in. Nice new Globetrail 640R.